The coastline here is wild, mysterious, brutal and rough, which is where we find our site here at Piha Beach. The brief from the client was to provide an iconic house, a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. And all he needed was 2 bedrooms. So the house is quite compact, but I think it works really well. And at the end of the day, this house is a beach house. The V is actually an X, which goes down 3 meters into the sand and is piled with tons of concrete and seal. That supports the house, and it is designed to withstand liquefaction and earthquakes as well. In response to our immediate environment, we have tried to mimic the volcanic rock that is seen around here, and referencing to the black sand. The cladding itself is made from recycled aluminium cans, which we imported from Canada and painted it here in New Zealand. There are no visible pipes, there are no inspection junctions, there are no visible flashings. When you enter this house, you know you are going into something different. Your eyes adjust to the darkness, and when you look to the left, all you see is a perfect linear strip of the ocean. The car park is super hectic during the weekends and holidays, and the idea for the slot was to be able to retreat back to the house from public view and to just see crashing surf, a lifeguard tower, Lion Rock, and a beautiful rock cove to the left. The island bench is constructed from raw steel. It itself is like the V that supports the house, which we have designed to be anchored back to the floor and cantilevered 4 meters out towards the view. Every piece of this house was thought out. Every line was a decision, and every aspect of the fit out was thought out, debated, and also executed. The 2 bedrooms at the rear are both the exact same size and dimensions, and the spaces are as square as possible. Enclosing the bedrooms is an exquisite gold mesh glazed wall system. Nighttime in the house is quite different. The hustle and bustle is gone, and you are left with crashing surf and blackness that almost feels like a cocoon. I believe every building has an opportunity to leave a legacy of art and engineering. I hope that my work will inspire people to be bold and brave with their design.